Hey guys, just want to give you an update of what we've been working on all summer. Essentially what we have created for the Android operating system is an app that gives back to the UCR students, specifically for CS, CE, and EE engineering degrees. What we have is a C++ reference guide for the undergraduate courses such as CS10, 12, and 14. We are still in beta development right now, but we are hoping to fully output our app in the fall for students to download. If you look closer into the app, we are presented with the menu UCR C++ reference guide. As we enter, we are then presented with the three classes CS10, 12, and 14. If we look quickly through CS10, we are shown with an alphabeticalized list of all different types of terms, such as arithmetic operators, for loop, functions, libraries, and string. If you go into CS12, we have things like classes, file separation, heap, linked list, and polymorphism. And lastly, if you go to CS14, we have things such as binary trees, hash maps, and red and black trees. So just a quick example of what happens. If you go into CS10, for example, we start with the first one, which is arithmetic operators. We are presented with an interface that goes through each definition for each arithmetic operation, such as plus, minus, divide, and the modulo operator. So as you scroll down, it gives you a list of what each does. And finally, after definition, we have an example of code that we have created that has been commented as well to be clear to students of what is actually going on in the code. We understand when you start CS, it can be quite confusing of syntax and what is going on, so we really wanted to clear that up. Another example is an array, which is a data structure that CS10 students will have to deal with. We click on array, we have a nice definition that we have composed, and finally we have an example that defines an array, outputs an array, and as well as traverses through an array in the code. Finally, one more example is assignment versus comparator. We understand that things may look similar, but really have different meanings and different uses. So that's exactly what this is. Just very quickly, we first start with the assignment operator with an example and the comparator operating example and show really how they differ. Thank you guys. We hope to output this in the fall. Thank you again.